What's going on, B-Risers? I hope you're doing fabulous. I've been getting some questions of, is cheese okay? Is the yogurt okay? And for me, if you're wanting to eliminate cysts, endometriosis, really any health issue, allergies, any health issue, acne, we really want to focus on getting dairy out. And I know that's, not what people want to hear. But the truth is dairy is one, must for me in getting those cysts out. So the reason is dairy is high in protein, so it's going to be a lot harder on the kidneys and the adrenal glands. So kidneys being one of the channels of elimination of getting mucus and acids out of the body, as well as your skin. So with dairy, it's very mucus forming in the body. It's high on the protein, so casein. And I know some people are like, well, I'm addicted to cheese and I can't get off it. And there's actually a reason you may actually be addicted. It's because when we look at the protein in the dairy, casein, there's actually what's called cashew in the dairy. That right there is the reason why we may keep wanting cheese and various dairy products. But, in the field that I work in, I see firsthand that with, the oxycodones and a lot of these opioid medications are highly addictive. And to get people off can be a challenge. So a lot of the medications, I get that they're, we need some pain relievers for serious injuries. But I think we need to look at more natural pain relievers. So that's why, you're hearing a lot more about the marijuana, the cannabis coming out. So that see, whole other video on that. But yeah, cheese, dairy it has cashew, so that's the reason why you may be addicted to the dairy and you can't get off the cheese. So, I would say try to just start creating healthier habits. So instead of the dairy, try to go for more plant-based products. So there's a lot of plant-based milks out there. I even like to make my own. So, the almond milk, even cashews, if you're needing, that kind of creamy taste, you can do there's even a lot of people coming out with cashew cheese now. And so you can even make your own if that's something that you are interested in. So cashew, is a good transition, but again, I would be cautious with too many nuts. So what I'm trying to do is help you guys that are, addicted to a lot of these foods out there, or even just having a hard time getting off these foods. So what I'm looking at is like transition. And that's what I'm going to be focusing on in 2019 to help you guys. We're going to be focusing on transitional foods that can help you get to a healthier diet. So that's going to be my main focus to help you guys with. And I'm going to have a lot more to come out on that in 2019. So every day is a new day. Every year is a new year to become better, enhance your life in any way, and make some changes that can better your life. So that's what I'm going to try to do to help you guys in transitioning. And there's going to be a lot to come out. And I'm working kind of behind the scenes on ways that I can help you out in transitioning you, instead of right away going into detoxification, which some people, they just go right into the deep end. But what I'm seeing is we want to keep a healthy lifestyle. And sometimes if we go too fast, too soon, and we aren't liking the experience or the detox symptoms, then someone will switch to another diet, depending on what their goal is. So everyone's goal is kind of different. Some people are focusing on weight loss. Some people are focusing on major health issues. So I'm what I'm trying to do is kind of help people stay on a healthy lifestyle long term, and not just, you know, jump back and forth to various different diets out there. So what I'm trying to do is teach you guys about the kidneys, the eliminative channels, getting the lymphatic system moving, detoxification, various ways we can detox the body. And if you're looking for that, that would be my Healed Naturally book, where you're just wanting to really go into the deep end. But I'm also going to have that transition phase coming out, and this will be more of a transition as well as trying to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle long term. So stay tuned for that. So more to come. And yeah, so dairy, try to find something that you can replace with it. Lots of plant-based milks, coconut milk, coconut yogurts. I really, really love. I drink some almond milk. I love my almonds. And even cashew. You can do cashew butter and cashew, even cream cheese if you want. So some of you may have to take, you know, slow baby steps. Others, you may just want to, you know, go right after your health issues. So I'm here for all you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. But yeah, know that dairy is very mucus forming in the body. It's a foreign protein, and it has casomorphine, which keeps, you know, can keep you addicted. And I think that nature really, you know, the cow's milk is for the baby calf to grow and to get really big. And there's a reason, I think, why nature has that casomorphine for the calf, to keep it close to the mother cow, to keep it you know, nourished and growing. So that's my take on that. And, you know, this is published too in the nutrition. I know people like the science, and I mean, you just have to experience it for yourself. Once you start bringing in grapes and melons, which are very good on the kidneys, the grapes and the melons really pull on the lymphatic system. So check every time you go to the washroom if you're getting mucus out. Clear sign right there that you're really pulling on that lymphatic system. So we're already at 9 minutes, so I'm going to end it here. This obviously wasn't a short Q&A, but I hope you guys are well, and I wish you all the best, and lots to come for this year. As always, be your beautiful selves. Be getting in some nature today, which I'm gonna do right away, and be getting in some grapes and cantaloupe or a honeydew melon, whatever you can find. Just do the best you can. All right, you guys, we'll catch you in the next one.